Hi, I'm Chad. Today, we will be looking at how you can edit, delete, duplicate, and archive your campaigns. In the Campaigns menu, you will be able to edit various campaigns that have been scheduled to be sent out, and also clean out your campaigns list. Let's look at editing a scheduled campaign. First, click on the Campaigns menu button in the top panel. Next, select the Scheduled filter option in the left side panel. Once you have identified the campaign you would like to edit further, click on the Actions drop-down menu and then click on Revert to Draft. You will then be able to click on the Draft filter in the left side panel and then select the campaign that you have just reverted to draft. You may want to add more text or hashtags to the post content of the social channels, or you may simply want to add more contacts to the email. Once you have completed the changes, you can then continue to schedule that campaign again. Now let's say you would like to use an already created campaign in another campaign, or maybe for a different segment of contacts. If you click on the Actions drop-down menu and then click on Duplicate, the campaign will be copied and saved as a draft. You can then click on the campaign and start to make the changes that you would like to add to this particular campaign. Once you are happy with the setup, you can then scroll down and schedule that delivery again. Next, we will look at archiving and deleting campaigns. You can only archive campaigns that are set up as a draft or have successfully been sent out. Archiving your older campaigns are good for when you are clearing up your campaigns menu, getting ready for the new year content. First, navigate to the All filter. This will display all your campaigns either setting as a draft, scheduled to be delivered, or had successfully been delivered. To archive a campaign, click on the Actions drop-down menu on a campaign and then select Archive. You can view your archived campaigns by using the Archive filter in the left side panel. Deleting campaigns are slightly different. You can only delete draft campaigns, and unlike archiving, deleting a campaign will completely remove it from your database. To delete a campaign, simply click on the Actions drop-down menu on a draft campaign, and then select Delete. Once you have confirmed the deletion, the campaign will be wiped from your system. If you would like to learn more about editing, deleting, archiving, or duplicating campaigns, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or use the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thanks so much, and bye for now.